Welcome all to Vectors class 16. In this we'll discuss about projection of a vector along another vector and projection of a vector perpendicular to another vector. So if you are considering a vector, let's say A vector, and another vector represented by, take it as B vector, and if this angle between A vector and B vector is equal to, take it as theta. So we know how to resolve this vector B vector into its components. So if I am resolving the vector B along the direction of A, then the component of B vector along the direction of A vector can be written as nothing but B cos theta. So if you are just going for the magnitude of B cos theta, that will give the component, and projection means nothing but what about that B cos theta vector, that's magnitude and direction. So the projection of B vector along the direction of A vector is nothing but B cos theta vector. So we'll discuss how to find out this B cos theta vector. So we can represent it like this. This B cos theta vector is having a magnitude of B cos theta, and the direction of this vector is along the direction of A vector. So we can write direction of A vector can be represented by A cap, because we know that a vector can be written as the product of its magnitude and direction, or its unit vector. So this B cos theta vector is having a magnitude of B cos theta, and you can observe that the direction of this B cos theta vector is along the direction of A vector. That's why we are multiplying it with a unit vector along the direction of A vector, or represented by A cap. Now we'll discuss how to find out the value of this B cos theta. From the equation for dot product of A vector and B vector, we can write A dot B is equal to nothing but AB cos theta. We can write the value of this A vector dot B vector divided by A will give the value of B cos theta. So instead of this term B cos theta, we can substitute this value B dot A divided by A vector. So instead of B cos theta, I'm just writing this as A vector dot B vector divided by A vector, magnitude of A, into A cap. This A cap can be written as, we know that a unit vector is nothing but a vector divided by its magnitude. So we can write this as equal to A vector dot B vector, then we'll get a scalar value, divided by the square of magnitude of A vector, so we'll get a scalar value, into A vector will give the component of B vector along the direction of A vector, or projection of B vector along the direction of A vector. Now we'll discuss about projection of a vector perpendicular to another vector. That means assume that we are having a vector, let's say A vector, and another vector, let's say B vector. An angle between A vector and B vector is equal to theta. So we know that we can resolve this B vector into two components. One component which is along the direction of A vector, which can be represented as nothing but B cos theta component, and the other vector which is perpendicular to the direction of A vector, which can be represented as nothing but B sin theta component. Now if we are adding this B cos theta vector and B sin theta vector, we are going to get the resultant vector as nothing but B vector. So we can represent it like this. This B vector is equal to nothing but B cos theta vector plus B sin theta vector. Now over here, this B sin theta vector is nothing but a vector which is perpendicular to the direction of A vector. So Rm is to find out this B sin theta vector, and Rm is to find out it in vector form. So you can write B sin theta vector is equal to nothing but B vector minus B cos theta vector. And you can observe that this B cos theta vector is nothing but a component of B along the direction of A vector, which we already discussed. And we know how to find out the value of B cos theta. We just derived it. And so we can just put that value over here. That is A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of A square into A vector will give the value of B cos theta. So you can write this B sin theta vector will be equal to B vector minus this. Hope so that you understood projection of a vector along another vector and projection of a vector perpendicular to another vector. If you are having any doubt, or if you'd like to interact with me on live classes, or if you want to write online tests for JEE Mains, Advanced or NEET, and if you'd like to solve more number of questions to improve your performance, please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.